Golf Bravo, Sierra Charlie Sierra, taxiing to Alpha for power checks. For Sierra Charlie Sierra, rolling 24. Close a little window. Watch the beds. Shit, there's tons of beds here.
It's alright, dodge them. Holy moly, there's a lot of birds.
Trying to get up before I get there. Shit.
That's alright.
We're past them.
Past them.
Fucking hell. Nearly a bird strike.
Yeah, it's multiples. I got it all on film, so that's good.
You know, you can see the panic on my face. Fucking hell.
It's only about 200 birds.
Old Bravo Sierra Charlie Sierra, go down past message.
Good afternoon, we're PA 28 out of Seething, tracking to Shipton. Altitude is currently 1,000 feet on 1008. Requesting basic service.
Golf Charlie Sierra, roger, basic service, Norwich QNH 1012, report Shipton.
1012 will report Shipton. Golf Bravo Sierra Charlie Sierra. 1012.
Approach, 15.
That's not too bad up here, I thought it was really bad.
No,
About 1,000 feet or so, right, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fine.
Go ahead.
Forward to Charlie, thank you, just handing over to London now.
That'll be Lotus.